Hello everybody, this is Nora with NQ57, and on this video I am going to demonstrate to you how I worked with these UR sugar that come in a jar. These were sent to me by Born Pretty Store for review. As you can see here, they are completely sealed with this foil. This is how I went about breaking that foil open. It was quite of a challenge, but needless to say, guys, you do need those seals for shipment. Here is the gold, and I'm showing you the consistency of this, the viscosity of this gel. It's like a regular gel polish, but on application it went on as a builder gel. When it came to it was pretty stable. It self levels nicely, but very soft, or very slow I should say. It did not float my cuticles, so on application I treated it as a builder gel, and you'll see why in a minute. But it's absolutely gorgeous. Here's the red. So the four colors that I have is the red, blue, gold, and silver. Here I had already applied the red on my thumbs, and they are all holographic. So in the formulas are the same. They are tinted the same color as this. You can see here's the red. I'm already applying it on my pinky. This is on my nails after I had already removed the dip powder overlay. If you guys remember, on my right hand I had already shaped my nails on the almond shape. So one thing that I didn't quite, because they are come in pots, the one down thing for me is having to have a separate brush for each one of these, and obviously you have to clean the brush in between colors, right? Now I'm going to show you how I went about cleaning the brush. I just did a I just wiped it on a dry paper towel. I did not use alcohol until after the very end when I was finished with everything. But yes, this is how I cleaned it up. Yes, there were still some glitters in the bristles, but I didn't mind that at all. That didn't affect the coloring at all. I just didn't want any of the tint of the colored pigment in the bristles. And those bristles, if they look purple, it's because that's how they are originally, without any gels. These are the Yogi brushes that came with their poly gel. So here I am. You can see how I just go about floating that gel, and that's how I felt it was best applied. I applied this over my Rejuva base, guys, just for kind of like, so it would be easy for me to remove it, but I will keep it for a few days. Very easy application. I found this to be super easy to apply, and I only did one coat for all the colors. And here's the final result, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this holographic. Oh my gosh, so beautiful. Look at that. And so this is the finished result after applying top coat, and they're completely smooth. Okay, so there's nothing, I do not feel the glitters at all. And as far as any say any bumps or anything like that, so it self-level very nicely. You might, I mean, if you might have some lumps, and that you could file this, or give them a little bit of buff them out before applying the top coat, but I didn't feel it was necessary. And then you can see the profile, okay, all four nails. And this gel is almost like you can, so I treat it, as you saw on the application, I was treating it as a builder gel, just floating it on the nail rather than doing the brush strokes, so that I can keep the pigment of the formula and good distribution of those glitters. Wow, yeah, I really like working with these, so I truly recommend these if you're looking for some glitter bomb gels. There you go. And again, I will have the links down in the description bar below, and you may use my code IDUK31 for a 10% discount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would like to thank Born Pretty Store for sending me this gorgeous gel glitters to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.